One of the best things about having flowers, and especially having a lot of flowers like this, is to be able to give them away and brighten somebody's day. I started the Flower Flash nearly 4 years ago, bringing flowers to a much larger audience, to my fellow citizens of New York, putting flowers in unexpected places for no other reason but to surprise and delight and give joy to people who just don't have this amazing experience that I am lucky enough to have on a daily basis. So with the Flower Flash box, I really encourage you to pass the love along, and it doesn't have to be a big deal. A simple bud vase is a really great way to make a really special little floral moment that you can give to an elderly person, a loved one, just brighten their day. It doesn't take a lot. It's really fun to do with your children. It makes everybody feel good. All you need is a small little vessel like this. If you don't have something like this, you can use a little tonic, clear tonic bottle, take the label off. You can use a little Cornichon mason jar of some type, anything small. And what's also nice is that all these little bits and bobs from making your arrangements that are too small to go in the arrangement, you can utilize them in here. So I have these little florets, remember that I took them off in the earlier videos, but I'm gonna do one just with one of these beautiful stems of the spray rose. I've got one little floret here, leaflet of the Russian olive. I'll just pop that in. This has obviously been filled with water, and it doesn't take much, 3 or 4 stems, and you have a great little gift. You know, same rules apply. You want to finish it up. It needs to look great from all sides. You can have layers and levels. They don't all need to be the same height because these are thin stems. You can actually get quite a few in there. And you'll be surprised how big of an arrangement you can get in this tiny little container. So just make a little masterpiece. You want something that looks good from all angles. Might actually get a little bit more of my Lysianthus in there. You can even go a little bit lower, like this beautiful blossom here. I'm going to tuck that in tight, just like that. So you have, again, the levels and the tiered effect. And I can do one more like that on the back side. And after a while, you start to run out of room, but you want to make sure that it's filled to the top with water. And with a few stems of flowers, you have a really lovely little gift. So I encourage you to do this, share the love, pass the flowers along, and just, brighten somebody's day.